Welcome back, gearheads. Today we're going deep into one of the most eccentric, charming, and raw driving experiences on the planet, the Morgan Super 3 SuperSport. It's not your average car, and that's exactly the point. Morgan isn't trying to compete with Tesla, Porsche, or Ferrari. It's doing its own thing, and doing it with style. The new SuperSport version of the Super 3 is a stripped-down, raw, and totally analog machine that's all about one thing: pure driving pleasure. The SuperSport is an open-wheeled, three-wheeled oddball that looks like a retro-futuristic aircraft with wheels. It ditches the windshield entirely. Yes, really. And you'll need goggles or a helmet to drive it. It has exposed rivets, custom graphics, and you can spec it to match your wildest imagination. This thing doesn't whisper for attention, it shouts it. Under the hood, or rather, the sleek nose, is a 1.5-liter Ford-sourced three-cylinder engine that pushes out 118 horsepower. That may not sound like much until you realize the whole car weighs just 400 pounds. That power-to-weight ratio makes it a thrill to drive, especially when you're just inches off the ground. No power steering, no ABS, no traction control, and that's the magic. Everything you feel is real and unfiltered. The steering is razor sharp, the engine sounds raw, and every bump, breeze, and gear change is you, connected to the machine. It's more motorcycle than car, and it's unlike anything else. Inside the SuperSport, Spartan. Aluminum surfaces, analog dials, a tiny digital screen, and water-resistant materials. It's all built to be used, whether you're cruising down a twisty mountain road or racing through the rain. There are even waterproof luggage pods mounted on the sides. The Morgan Super 3 SuperSport isn't for everyone, and that's the beauty of it. It's a throwback to what driving used to be before computers took over. No filters, no distractions, just you, the road, and the wind trying to rip your face off. If you're tired of modern cars feeling like smartphones on wheels, the SuperSport is your antidote. Let us know in the comments. Would you dare to drive one? Smash that like button if you love analog machines, subscribe for more unique car reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.